Quality Mark would like to thank you for taking time to look at our new product, the Bowstep G2. This year, we have totally changed the design of the G2 to incorporate a revolutionary ability to deploy your step, exiting your boat from the top step. Never have you been able to do that. Always you've been able to fold and unfold your steps from the ground level. Now you could be exiting your boat at the ramp, and all you got to do is step on the lever here, and it will deploy your step for you. When you walk up the ramp and you get into your boat, you're able to fold the step from your top. Simply step on the lever and it will fold the step back up. Also, this is the locking mechanism. You pull it back, it locks it. The step is good for travel down the road. No secondary thing, it's all incorporated in the deployment handle. To unlock it, simply push the deployment handle or step on it from when you're exiting the boat. Again, the step is loose now, able to deploy. Either push the handle from the ground to deploy it, or step on the lever from up and down the boat, and your ladder is deployed. And again, to fold it, either pull on the lever or step on it, and it will fold it back up for you. And again, simply pull the lever to lock it. Now you're ready to go down the road. Let me show you the view from up top, what it works. When you step up on top of the stop step, step on the deployment lever, and it folds out your step. You're simply able to walk down the stairs, across the water without getting your feet wet. Going back up is simple again. Again, you're not wading across the water to get to the tongue. The first step is only 7 inches off the ground, not 20 inches off the ground. You simply step across the water here and you're to the first step, not getting your feet wet. You can walk up the ladder simply, safely, and when you get to the top step, step on the deployment handle and it will fold your ladder up for you. So now when you're exiting from up here, the boat, you don't have your steps folded out. You're able to step on the deployment handle and it will fold out your bottom steps. Now you easily walk down your steps, off, across the water. You don't have to wade across the water or the back of your truck or take that large step off your tongue. This is only 7 inches off the ground and you simply can step off to the ground. Getting back into the boat again, if you're launching or if you're entering your boat, again, the first step is only 7 inches off the ground. You don't have to wade across the water. Simply step on that first step, walk your way up your steps. The handle is centrally located. You come up around and you're able to, again, fold your step from up here. Simply step on the lever and fold it. This has never been offered before in a step. Thank you.